Hello traders, I hope you are having a good day today. We had amazing volatility this morning. It was a blessing morning, and most of my traders banked beautiful pips. I just finished my London morning session before I go to lunch break. I just show you the today morning analysis and show you how my traders bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, as I mentioned in previous analysis, we are still looking to break out this opportunity. And we had a beautiful, you can see a symmetric triangle pattern is developing it. We had this morning breakout long trade here, and the target was this one, which is nicely hit. Bank some profit. We'll see at the New York session. We have a news coming 1:30 London time, CPI for the dollar. We'll see if that's gonna make any difference. Otherwise, let me share with you guys how I did this morning. That was a pretty straightforward. I did analysis at the Asian session. Explain to my trader, look for this is pattern, as you can see here, downside channel pattern. That was the last night, and pretty straightforward. We have this breakout, and traders were holding it, and I said you can add another one on scaling trade, which I did this analysis in the morning, as you can see here. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. And the safest trade for us is basically after this breakout, as you can see here, price nicely retest this breakout. You can see here that was the safest trade, and the target was this level, which is around at this support. So we have only few PPs, but we manage good PPs. The rest of the pairs, which is I'm going to show you in a minute. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pretty straightforward. We had a beautiful long trade here, and if you look at here this morning, price respected this level previously. We have this rejection at the support level, so we have this breakout, and we have taken long trade here. The target was a previous high, as you can see here. The price nicely hit and banked few beautiful pips. Look at the Bollinger Band is squeezing it, so we're expecting some nice big move. We'll see if that's going to happen today or tomorrow, but that sort of opportunity is developing it. But if you look at, we have sort of like another symmetric triangle pattern is developing, so we are waiting for to break out this. We'll let you know if it's going to happen today or tomorrow. Well, let me share with you today's morning analysis, guys. That was a beautiful trade. Okay, so I did at the Asian session analysis for my traders. As you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward breakout. Bank a beautiful pips. And this morning, and I did another analysis as explained to my trader. Look, guys, we have upside channel pattern is developed. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so I said to look for expecting at this level pullback. That's the first priority, or there was a breakout. So as you can see here, price nicely developed pullback. That's why the momentum and the over intraday system help us. That was the trade we have taken it. I said, guys, keep holding it as long as the momentum is bullish, or as long as the price gonna hit to the previous high in 4 hour. So we explain, if you missed this one, you can join here, you can join here. Then I also mentioned look for another breakout. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful, nice juicy pips on pound dollar. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a good trade too. As I mentioned in my yesterday analysis review, we were short. We have taken this long here. As I mentioned yesterday analysis, the price developed a false breakout. And as I mentioned, if the price is going to stay below this level, we're expecting a short. Look at this candle. We have at the Asian session develop a bearish engulfing candle. That was a good sign. Target was the previous low, which is nicely broken. So this blue line is a monthly support line, which is previously broken. If the price gonna break and retest, then expecting a continuation short. Otherwise, still there's a possibility of long. For us to recognize if the trend is changing, we need the price should break any previous recent low, and after the breakout, price should retest. That give us the confirmation. Same here for us, counter trade. You can see here, whenever the price develop a false breakout, after the breakout, price retest this level, give us the confirmation. That's we take a counter short trade. So today we had a counter short trade. Technically, if you look at based on the 4 hour, price develop a double bottom. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Okay, so if you look at I did analysis at the Asian session. As you can see here, we were short yesterday. We had this breakout and price developed symmetric triangle pattern. That was a pretty straightforward breakout this morning, and beautiful short trade here. Once the price reached here, so I said, guys, look for this. We have another support because the momentum bias was long. So I said when the price develop a bearish engulfing candle, more likely, I explained to my trader, more likely is going to break. or if you see any pullback. So you can see here, I updated analysis this morning. That was a pretty straightforward. I explained to guys, look for pullback here, breakout or a breakout. So this is the pattern, and not just basically broadcasting analysis. We produce live audio commentary. When the price was about to break, we announce, guys, enjoy pipping, the trade is coming now. So you can see here, because we have bearish engulfing candle at this level, that was a beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the previous low. And that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here with amazing trade. And the best trades we all had it in pound yen, I believe in euro yen and the dollar yen, all the yen pair, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, all of them. So let me share with you Aussie dollar. That's the beautiful, that's basically either if we take dollar CAD or Aussie dollar, one of the so we had a beautiful, that was trade here, and that was a pretty straightforward. As explained this morning, we have a double bottom is developed, and as you can see here, if the price gonna break this monthly, as you can see here, monthly resistance, which is broken, bingo. And let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward and beautiful trade. You can see here, that was the pretty straightforward. That's the analysis we did this morning, and at the Asian session, that was a pretty straightforward. Once the price break the major structure, and based on the momentum, pullback, breakout, pullback, as soon as the price hit to the around previous high, and explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see what a beautiful trade on Aussie dollar. We had a beautiful trade on Kiwi dollar. That was a pretty straightforward analysis. That was a beautiful breakout. You can see here, because not only just doing analysis, we look at what sort of price action is developing. We have a double bottom here, exactly the Aussie dollar, beautiful breakout, long trade here, amazing trade. This morning we had a very beautiful trade on dollar yen. That was a pretty straightforward, as explained my trader. Look here, the price broken. And this level, as just mentioned, here is a dollar CAD. So we have breakouts. So looking here, another pullback. Beautiful. So you can see here. So right now, what we can see here, if the price is going to break this level, then I'm expecting a short. But looks like the price is developing yet another pattern. We'll let you know. Let me share with you how I analyze market today. That was the beautiful breakout trade here, as you can see here, this morning, just before London Open. As explained to my relax here, price respected many times and price broken this one. So look for another and beautiful breakout, as you can see here, nicely breakout. After this breakout, as always, pull back, beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. And a beautiful trade. We had a euro yen, we had a beautiful, all the yen pair. Let me share with you euro yen, pretty straightforward. And that's what explained the whole structure. And in intraday, we explain in more detail, just to explain the price action with the live market. As you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. Look what sort of structure is being developed. We have developed a double top here and price broken. So technically, we're expecting here, if the price going to keep respect here, so we're expecting here, as you can see here, retest and then short here. That's the based on the price action, that's what we're expecting it. But if the price gonna break and develop a false breakout, then I'm expecting a long. So once the analysis has been broadcasted, we look at in 4 hour, the price is below the 100 EMA. And then once the price broke, as you can see here, price broken and retest as mentioned here. So we broadcast that information through live audio commentary. We have breakout, fib channel, bank some profit, guys, look for another pullback. That's we announce through live audio commentary. So we announce all these pullbacks and explain trader as soon as the price hit to the support level, as you can see here. That's what I explain my trader. As you can see, fib channel, that's what my trader just enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, today was amazing day, blessing morning. Most of my traders bank 100+ pips, guys, and I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availabilities are limited, but available. Link is given at the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.